Letter and email templates play a crucial role when keeping to high standards when communicating with your candidates and contacts. Colleague gives you the freedom to create as many templates as you wish so that you can tailor and uniform your correspondence. In this video, we'll go through the process of creating a new email template and cover the use of merge codes. Letter templates are accessed within Global Settings. You then select Letter Maintenance. In this area, you will find all of the available templates in the system. By default, it will show you everything, but you can also filter to show only letter templates or email templates. You'll also see that it is quite straightforward to delete, edit, or save modifications to existing templates. When you edit a template, you'll be given the option to amend either the email or letter versions. In either case, all templates are modified using Microsoft Word. So, let's create a new email template. Click Add New. The first screen you will be given is a list of the available areas in the system where you can generate the template from. Please consider your choice carefully, as this option will dictate the merge codes that you have access to when editing the template. Also, at the time of this recording, the contract, situation and offer options are letter template only formats. Candidate, contact, requirement and interview will support both letter and email. We'll select Candidate. Click Next and you will then be asked to name the template. If you enter the name of an existing template, it will warn you of a duplicate. Click Next and enter a description. This will be the name of the template that appears when you're selecting it in the future. If you wish to send a letter directly to your printer, Colleague will support this if you specify the printer here. You can also incorporate default headers and footers to generated letters and attachments. Within Lookup Maintenance, there is an option called Headers and Footers. This is where you can map the location of your default document for the letter wizard to use. This will be shown shortly. Create History will create a history entry against the record you're generating the template from. You will also be able to access a copy of that letter from the entry. Secure Document will create the new document into Colleague's secure folder directory. This is designed so that privileged users can create documents such as invoices or other financial documents in a restricted area away from the freely accessible letters folder. Make Default Document will attach the document to the Links and Documents area and set it as the new default document. Add to Linked Documents will attach the document to the Links and Documents area. Include Default Document will merge the existing default document into the new letter. A good example where this can be used is for the automatic generation of cover letters or the inclusion of bespoke terms into a contract. It can also be used when formatting CVs. Please note that Secure, Make Default Document, Add to Linked Documents, and Include Default Document are all letter-only options. Set the usage option depending on whether you wish to create a letter template, email template, or both. We'll select Email Only. Click Next, and you'll receive a summary of the settings against the template. Click Finish, and if the tick flag has been set, the new template will open. Colleague has a default letter template to help you get started. You'll need to modify this template to suit your needs. Merge fields offer you the ability to pull field data held within colleague records into the template. These fields are pulled into the template via the Mailings tab. Click Insert Merge Field. As mentioned previously, the merge fields you have available to use will be dependent on the location the template has been created from. For example, this template will be called from a candidate record, so the merge fields available are from the candidate record only. Please also be aware that when you generate letter templates, it builds a unique data file linking the template to colleague. This connection means that it will only offer you the merge fields to custom fields that are available at the time the template was generated. Any custom fields added after this time will need to be used in a new template. As mentioned before, it is not only possible to create an email template, but you can have templates pull in attachments as well. You add your attachments in this area here. A final point is on the location of headers and footers as covered earlier in the video. Go to Lookup Maintenance, Headers and Footers, and enter the path of your headed document here. When finished, log out and back into Colleague for the changes to take effect. The next video will be on mandatory fields maintenance.